Your engine is basically a giant metal lung that spends every single second of its life breathing in air and spitting out fire, so it is only a matter of time before things start getting sticky inside. Think about all that carbon soot building up on your oxygen sensors and fuel injectors like some kind of thick mechanical plaque. That is exactly where this trending 6-in-1 boost cleaner steps into the light. It is not just another bottle of mystery fluid sitting on a shelf. People are actually paying between $18 and $41 for this stuff, because it promises to melt away the gunk that steals your power. The manufacturer is making some pretty big claims here. They say it can restore nearly all of your lost horsepower and slash your emissions by a third. That sounds like a miracle in a bottle, but we have to look at what is actually happening under the hood. You just pour about 120 milliliters into your tank when you go to the gas station. It works for gas engines, diesel setups, and even hybrids. If your vehicle has more than 6,000 miles on it, you are exactly who they are looking for. Real-world drivers are seeing some interesting results lately. We are talking about much smoother acceleration and a solid 15% bump in fuel efficiency. That is the kind of change you actually feel when you merge onto the highway or pull away from a stoplight. But let us be extremely clear about one thing. This is an optimization tool. It is not a magic wand that can fix a cracked or physically broken catalytic converter. If your exhaust system is literally falling apart or melting, no amount of cleaner is going to save you from a massive trip to the mechanic. However, if your car just feels a little sluggish, or you are worried about failing that next big emissions test due to carbon fouling, this might be your best friend. It is designed to be a proactive shield for your engine. Using it every 1,000 miles keeps those tiny carbon deposits from turning into a massive, expensive mechanical failure. It is an eco-conscious way to keep your exhaust system living longer without having to swap out incredibly expensive parts. When you look at the cost of a full engine teardown versus a $20 bottle of cleaner, the math starts to make a lot of sense. You want that snappy throttle response back. You want to stop burning extra money at the pump just because your injectors are dirty. This formula handles the combustion chambers and the sensors with a non-corrosive touch that protects the metal. It is all about maintaining that peak performance before the check engine light ruins your entire week. If you are looking to optimize what you already have, this fluid is a legitimate contender in the world of modern car care. It represents a shift towards smarter, cheaper maintenance that anyone can do in a parking lot. It is about taking control of your vehicle longevity before the soot takes control of your wallet. You are investing in the health of your car for the long haul. It is practical. It is effective. It is the kind of maintenance that keeps you on the road and out of the repair shop. Every time you drive, you are slowly wearing things down, so adding a little help to the fuel system is just common sense for any owner who wants to avoid the graveyard of dead engines. In 2026, keeping your car running shouldn't require a miracle, just the right fluids at the right time.